Today we will discuss product owner responsibilities in the Agile framework. Product owner responsibilities. Okay, product owner responsibilities in the Agile framework. Product owner defines new features and the product owner decides product release date, product owner prioritizes the features or any production works. So he prioritizes the features for any production works according to the market value. See, product owner always thinks profitable product or application, and the product owner is responsible for product backlog. Product owner responsible for product backlog. What is product backlog means? So here only where product owner prioritizes features or production bugs to provide to develop he prioritizes production bugs or features to develop. Means he will create some prioritized list. The list nothing but except product features or any important bugs. No? So he will prioritize on the product backlog. From here only the team will pick and work on the development. And also product owner has rights, or he can reject or accept work. If he likes it, he can accept the work. If he don't like our performance, like our development kind of things, he can reject at any time. He can reject or accept work at any time. Yeah, these are the most important points we discuss for the product owner. So these are the responsibilities for the product owner.